How to export video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application and select the project that you want to export. So here I've already chosen a project. Now to export the video, first of all, make sure that you have made all the necessary edits over here, from your audio to text, effects, animations, ratios, filters, and so on. And with that, select on the resolution and the frame rate that you want. For that, you can tap on the upside of the screen. Then here you can select the resolutions. Right now it is in 1080 pixel. Then choose a frame rate and code rate as well. After that, after getting all the selected video editing and options that are required for your video, then you can select on the export option at the top right corner of the screen. And as you tap on export, do not close the Capcut application or lock the screen. So after that, it will be exported. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.